Privet friends, put on your cowboy hats, because today we are going full Murica. We are talking about the undisputed king of the road, the Ford F-150. This is not just a truck, it's a money printing machine. Ford sells one of these every 40 seconds, for over 40 years. It all started as an honest workhorse, a simple tough truck for farmers and builders to carry heavy tools. But over the years something crazy happened. The F-150 turned into a luxury yacht on wheels. Modern versions have massaging leather seats and screens bigger than your TV. Because of this we created the Pavement Princess. 90% of these massive trucks never see a single day of hard work. They are used strictly to buy groceries and park badly at the mall, and they are so huge now. Good luck fitting one into a standard house garage. In 2015, Ford shocked the truck world. They ditched heavy steel and made the body out of military-grade aluminum. Chevy owners laughed and made memes about beer cans. But Ford dropped the weight by 700 pounds. The truck got much faster. Then they committed a crime against V8 purists. They pushed everyone to buy the Twin-Turbo EcoBoost V6. It makes massive torque suggests, but they actually pumped fake V8 sounds into the speakers. But if you want true madness, you buy the Raptor, a wide-body Baja-ready monster with Fox racing suspension. It is legally designed to jump over sand dunes at 100 miles per hour, which is very useful when you need to jump speed bumps at the drive-thru. Of course, the truck wars will never end. Ford, Chevy and Ram owners will hate each other until the end of time. Chevy fans still joke that Ford stands for fix or repair daily. But the sales numbers don't lie. The F-150 remains the absolute king of American roads. What is your pick? A classic V8 F-150 or a flying twin-turbo Raptor? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more garage history. And Polka!